Hey, good morning. I appreciate your comment. So, of course, there are always more things that we all need to be concerned about. I mean, I am really focusing on the bioengineered food ingredient mainly because I was addicted to Snickers. And every time I ate them, my depression, my anxiety, it was at its max. And all I wanted to do was keep repeating the cycle. That's when I realized that bioengineered food ingredients are so addictive that at the point where you really don't like it, you cannot help it. So that's why I'm focusing on it. Now, that doesn't negate away from the points that you have pointed out. So, let me show you what I asked my team to help me create. So, let me introduce you to my new generative AI factual machine. He's called Tommy the Foodie Hound. Yes, he's made after my dog. I thought it was so cute. But anyway, Tommy knows all facts, and I mean facts, about food, what is healthy, what we should avoid, and you can ask him any question. I'm so grateful that my team over at Meta helped me create him. If you're not connected to me, make sure you connect with me on all social sites, especially on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you later, and thanks for the comment.